Hey guys, SouthernCruisers here. We're going to do a video review of the Embassy Suites in Birmingham. This is an exterior view of the hotel. We've stayed here for the last 3 days. It's been a pretty good stay. It's an older Embassy Suites, but it's been renovated. It's pretty nice. Hang in there and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be right back. Exterior doors here. I'm going to avoid the roundabout. Okay, this is the lobby. They do have a Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, which we didn't eat there this time, but it is, I have heard good things. It is kind of expensive. If you've never eaten at Ruth's Chris, I will tell you what I'll do. I'll also include a snapshot of this in the video. You can pause it there and kind of look at it. Let me go ahead and take a little picture. We'll include that. Okay guys, we're back at video. This has a really cool atrium with goldfish and koi running through a little stream. You can get goldfish food or fish food to feed the fish. Look at the fish. Like, give me some food, boy. There's some people feeding the fish. Oh, there's a couple of big ones in there. Yeah, the interior is really nice. I think those tables are part of Ruth's Chris. Again, it's an older hotel. It's been renovated. We're about to go eat breakfast here in a minute. Before doing that, I think I'm going to go see the pool area and the gym. ATM on site. They do have a little store where they sell a few little items. That's the entrance right there to the breakfast area. You have to have your card to get in. Well, let's see if I can make this work. Okay, thank you. Pool didn't open till 10. So we'll just get a video from the outside. Or maybe if I'm still here at 10, I'll get a video. Well, I wonder about the gym, if it's open. This is the area where you get your omelets. You put in your little card and they call your name. Oh, here's the gym. Let's see if it's open. Yeah. So it is a small gym. But this is what they have. Big mirrors. We don't need to see me. Okay. All right, that's the gym. So this is how you do it. You write your name on your thing and what you want on your omelet. So I'm about to put my omelet order in. Angie's putting hers in. Okay. I don't know, all I see is bowls right now. We're kind of at the later part of breakfast. And they've got boiled eggs and These are the things that they have out for the breakfast buffet. Oatmeal. Make your own omelets. I mean, make your own, whatever those are. Waffles. This is what they have for coffee area. And you got your Coke products. Angie's getting into the buffet. We got grits, sausage, potatoes and eggs. Did you get some potatoes?
I did get some potatoes.
All right. All right, we got our omelets. What'd you get?
Bunch of vegetables, and I think I added sausage.
I think I got all the meats, and I added tomatoes and peppers. All right, it's a pretty easy process, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
I like the way they do it. You put in the card, and then they call your name.
Yes, you can go and sit down, and you're not standing up for a long time.
Which is the way it is at most embassy suites. You stand and wait for 15, 20 minutes sometimes.
Yeah.
All right, let's dig in. Okay, we're just outside room 707, Embassy Suites. What do you think about this room, Ange?
It's very nice.
This is a, what do they call this room?
2-bed, 2-bath suite.
A 2-bed, 2-bath suite. Here in Birmingham.
One of the things to note, I'm short, but the countertops in here are tall.
They are kind of for tall people. Which,
you got a 4-top table out here for entertaining. You got a buffet if you were going to have guests over. In this room, you have a king bed, a bathroom, spacious closet, another TV.
I believe these little devices here have chargers like USB and USB-C. Oh, it has a little balcony. It's kind of like a little tiny balcony. We'll step out on it. You can see kind of some downtown Birmingham. I believe that's 280 that we're seeing over there, right? Yep. That is 280. The other side of the hotel has a view of the Vulcan. Our room actually has a view of the Vulcan. We'll get that later in the video.
And over here you got another bathroom.
Yeah.
Full tub, shower, full bathroom there.
This is the second bedroom.
This is the second bedroom. You got your another TV.
This is nice and big.
Yeah. There's another balcony.
Yeah, just another little balcony.
Same view. Another king bed. And it also has another
Closet.
Ooh, this one's a bigger
It's a bigger closet. With a, can't really see. I don't really have dark mode on my phone.
Yeah.
But this has an ironing board and an iron in it.
I don't know if I can put mine on. A little dark in here, but I would tell you I don't know if a pack and play would fit in here or not, but
Almost like another little bedroom.
almost another bedroom. If
Yeah,
you had
I think a pack and play would fit in there. You wouldn't want to close the little bugger
No,
up in there, but
no.
you could put a little pack and play in there if you needed to.
We've traveled before.
We've done that.
Sleep in the closet.
When
I believe it has your standard. Yeah, it has a standard
little refrigerator.
refrigerator. There's a nice. There's a microwave and a little spacious cabinet underneath there.
All right, we'll show you a standard room.
This one does have a Keurig for those coffee drinkers.
all the rooms have Birmingham, art. That's the Alabama Theater.
Does have a pull-out sofa,
So you could sleep easily, 6 in here if you needed to?
yeah.
All right. Well, good deal.
I don't know if you want to show that's the view from the inside of the room. You can see into the atrium.
Yeah. This hotel was recently renovated. And it's pretty convenient to a lot of things in downtown Birmingham. All right, should we go look at the smaller room?
Yes.
Okay, this is the standard size room, room 710. And we'll take a look at this room. We've already moved into this room a little bit. But you have a desk. You have a TV. You have a couch which pulls out into a bed.
Has the same refrigerator. No, this one is a smaller refrigerator, actually.
Oh, yeah, it is smaller.
Yep. And a microwave. The countertop is a little lower, which I prefer. Let's see.
The bathroom is on the other side of that. One bathroom, obviously.
Yep.
Everything with Hilton's now, I believe, is all stuff on the wall. Shampoo, conditioner, soap.
Closet of average size.
Not big enough for a pack and play.
No. This is a 2 queen bedroom. And then
We do have a balcony. This one, I believe, looks north. If you want to stay on the north side of the hotel, you will have a view of the Vulcan statue. There he is right there, all lit up for the night. But yeah, this is where we're at. What do you think about it, Angie?
It's your typical Embassy Suites 2 queen bedroom.
Yep. All right, we'll show you more later. Hey, and while I'm thinking about it, if you like travel videos, if you like cruising videos, restaurant, hotel reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are Southern Cruisers, and we are all about some travel. All right, here we are at the Embassy Suites. This is the evening reception, and they have Coca-Cola products. This is where you get your drinks. You can get like a mixed drink or a beer or wine. They got snacks. These are the snacks we have tonight. What's this? It's like cheese dip, maybe? Cheese dip, cheese soup. Oh, we got guacamole. I'll probably get some of that. Yeah, this is in the right in the middle of the hotel, and there's a TV set up. Oh yeah, there's some tea and stuff over here. We'll go check that out. You get 2 drinks a person. There goes my wife with my drink tickets. You got teas.
James Spann with some exciting news.
Coffees.
Weather Authority team is bigger, better, stronger.
Wife is going to get me.
Oh, my husband just missed that. Don't keep going.
No, don't put that on there. All right. These are our liquors that we have available for tonight's thing. Angie's going to get her a. What are you getting?
I'm gonna get me an amaretto sour and a... Okay, we are at the Embassy Suites in Birmingham, Alabama. And I will tell you, I am a Diamond member for those of you who follow our channel, you'll know I'm a Diamond member and I love the Embassy Suites. Well, you ought to know that Darius and Tiffany are top notch. Let me tell you, there has been so many times that I have been at the Embassy Suites, and this is a top notch happy hour that you will not want to miss. I promise you. There's Darius and Tiffany.
Hi.
Hey. Let me tell you, they don't just have chips, they have hot cheese, baby, tonight. And in here they had some Doritos to go, but they had a full nacho buffet. Tiffany made up some guacamole, some sour cream. This is at the end, it's already closed. They had fresh fruit, they had some popcorn. We got the security CIA working. But it is, I'll just tell you, this happy hour is top notch and something you do not want to miss. Thank you for following. Southern Cruisers out.
Okay, this is a morning view of the atrium for breakfast time. On the weekends, breakfast is served till 10 or 10:30. I'm not really sure. I'll show you how that works in a minute. But this is the atrium. It's really nice, open and airy. And here comes my friends. They just got back from breakfast. I'll have to see how breakfast was. How was breakfast?
It was
Great.
Made to order omelet.
Made to order omelets.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Give you these little breakfast vouchers.
Let me get that. Yep.
Give you the little breakfast voucher. You fill out what you want.
Yeah.
Within 5 minutes, breakfast is ready.
And they call your name and you
Call
get
your
your
name.
omelet. Awesome. Thanks, guys. All right, here we are in the glass elevators. We're gonna head down to first floor. Gonna get some breakfast here momentarily. They do have a little koi pond that runs throughout. Hi. This is a view from our balcony in room 710. It's looking south toward 280. Got a good view of the Vulcan from our balcony. Yeah, pretty good stay. Overall, mostly recommend. Like we said, it's an older hotel.